car is bouncing. This gets me every time. Let's go. I love the turbo noise. Oh, this has escalated quickly. Guys, today it's one of those days. As you know, I'm one of the biggest Mercedes fanboys, and sometimes I dream about Maybachs. And today it's a Maybach day. Today we will be driving a Maybach, but if you thought we will be driving a normal Maybach, no. We will be driving a Maybach by Brabus. This thing right here is based on the GLS600. If you haven't watched the Walkaround yet, just check it out on the info box above. We will be driving the GLS900 Rocket Edition based on the GLS600 Maybach. And this thing is a Maybach on steroids. I'm telling you, and today we will be experiencing it, we will be driving it, and we will be having some fun. First of all, let's start the ignition. Oh, I love this animation. One of my favorite animations. Did I tell you that I love animations? Okay, here we have the key. It's a chrome key. And I will be putting it over here. Full finish in carbon fiber. This interior is a 10 out of 10. Let's put the seatbelts on. And before we start, there's something way more important I have to demonstrate, okay? First of all, let's start the engine. Listen to this. Yeah, put the car into drive, but not drive yet. We will be putting the car into off-road mode. And then something very, very important I have to do before we start the drive. And it's this. The car is bouncing. I love this feature. The get free mode, it literally gets you free in stuck situations. This comes with the off-road mode, since this GLS is an off-road driver, and it's one of the coolest things to do inside the GLS Maybach. Oh my god. This gets me every time. Okay, let's take it serious, okay? We will be starting the drive. I will put the car into comfort, but we will be doing a sport drive, okay? It's time to start the drive, okay? Let's go. Oh, very heavy car. You instantly feel that when you drive the first meters, okay? But imagine, we have a 900 horsepower beast here. This is not just a normal luxury cruiser. Ooh! This was not even full throttle, guys. This was just, I think, 50%, and you instantly heard the turbochargers. One of my favorite noise and sound while driving after pops and bangs, but unfortunately we don't have any pops and bangs with this car here, as we have a luxury rider here, a dominant GLS Maybach. Brabus has decided to go a bit decent with the sound, therefore it's not as loud as, let's say, the other Rocket Editions. I will be lowering the windows so you have a better sound. Okay, let's get down, and then let's start with a, let's say, oh, this thing is quick, holy. And then you have these speed bumps, but you take them easy. Unfortunately we have like 24-inch rims on this, therefore it's not as comfortable, but it's okay. Wow, what a beautiful car. Wow, love your car, man. Not the best streets to drive a big boy Maybach, but still we are enjoying it, right? Guys, first of all, the only thing that Brabus has modified is the performance. I mean, we are talking stock performance is GLS600, if I'm not mistaken, 557, something like this. And imagine Brabus has pushed it up to 900. This is a lot, plus 300 something horsepower extra, and you feel it when driving. But yeah, still very comfortable ride. We are here right now in Spain. As you see, we have a lot of bicycle riders, but the roads are extremely bumpy. You don't feel anything inside this car. This feels like a land yacht. It's crazy, it's heavy, but still with the performance and boost that Brabus has given, it feels like driving a stock GLS 63, something like this. Do you get what I mean? It doesn't feel like it's that heavy. So we have overtaken the bicycle riders. Now. Ooh, yes. I love the turbo noise. Oh, what a thing. Guys, this sound is just absolutely great. It's not that loud in the inside. Imagine having someone sitting in the back. Still a nice, comfortable, but as I mentioned, dominant and decent sound. Still sporty Brabus noise. You get what I mean? Oh, this is fun. Brabus boost and the Brabus additional turbochargers. You can instantly hear them and you can feel them. Let's go. Oh, guys, please keep in mind, this is a GLS Maybach. This thing is heavy. But no problem for Brabus. No problem at all. This is too easy for them. Oh, oh, we have a tunnel. Maybe we can hear some things. Oh, I didn't expect that. I really did not expect that. I thought this will be a comfortable ride, but it's not. This has escalated quickly. Oh, 900 horsepower beast right here. This drives way different to the 800 version, which we have driven a few weeks, months ago. We have the Spanish Autobahn here. Oh, I wish we had the German Autobahn. Guys, do you want to see an Autobahn run with this car? Please let me know in the comment section below, please. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, wow. Guys, inside the tunnel and also with the nice ambient colors. And the turbochargers. And the Brabus boost. It's pushing me inside my seat. As soon as you downshift and accelerate, you have this sound, the Brabus turbochargers. I think the top speed with this is around 320 kilometers. Unfortunately, we have no unrestricted Autobahn here. If we had that, we would have tested it. 900 horsepower beast, we need to unleash it. I'm telling you, we have to unleash this beast on the Autobahn. If you want to see that, let me know in the comment section below, guys. All in all, guys, hope you enjoyed watching today's video. How do you like the Brabus GLS900 Rocket Edition with the 900 horsepower 4.5 liter V8 by Brabus? Do you think it's necessary to have it? Would you also go for 900 horsepower beast like this, or would you keep it stock 600 and go for a more comfortable ride? I would love to hear your thoughts on that, because I'm not really sure, and I guess we will be finishing it off.